Ears are a part of the body that many artists avoid, often covering the ears with hair when sketching a portrait. But drawing ears doesn't have to be an extremely complex project to undertake. Once you learn the general rule of lights and shadows, the art of drawing ears will be easy. The human ear drawing experience can be intriguing because of the ear's unique layers and complex structure. So let's get started together. To develop the ear shape, you can begin to draw the ear cartilage area. Use your pencil and gently create depths. Define the outer shape and then shade in the inner cartilage area. Note how the light falls on the ear shape and shadows for definition. Try to ensure that your human ear drawing is of similar size to your source image. This will help you with proportions, especially if you are a novice. Next, you can continue building the inner ear structure. The ear has layers and you will use the shadows to emphasize certain areas where the ear falls. As you add shading to the inner parts of your ear sketch, notice that some shadowed areas will be darker than others. Continue this shading technique and use the source image to refer to the placement of the shadow of the inner ear and the ear cartilage. The inner fold of the upper ear will have a darker area, so gently add layers to your drawing. In the next step, you will begin to add hair to your ear drawing. You're adding hair because you must define the ear itself and not have it seem as if it's floating along on your paper. Hair may seem like a mess of lines clumped together, but drawing hair takes a little skill. Using your pencil, begin drawing hair flowing from top to bottom. While you're adding the hairlines to your ear drawing, it's important to acknowledge the shadow and dark areas of the hair around the ear line. As the hair falls behind the lower ear area, see how the shadow becomes darker around the bottom under the ear lobe. Also keep using your source image to guide you. To make the ear seem like it's in front of the hair and pull forward in view, you must add a slight curve at the top of the hair area. Imagine the hair tucked behind the ear. Look at the reference image to see where the darkened area must be around the hair and the top of the ear. The hair clumps tightly together. This should be kept in mind when creating depths to your ear drawing. Your ear drawing should look quite realistic and just like your reference image. You have reached the final step of your how to draw ears tutorial, and you should be using this final stage to tidy any loose ends and finalize any attention to the shadow on the ear and hair. Continue until you are happy with the finished product. If you like this type of content and tutorial, please put a like, comment and subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials will be uploaded soon.